Hello, this is Begum Karia. Welcome to the AIO AI channel. Let's dive into today's video. Climate change refers to long-term changes in global or regional climate patterns, primarily driven by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. These actions increase the concentration of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, in the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the planet's temperature to rise, a phenomenon known as global warming. Key causes of climate change: burning of fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and natural gas are burned for energy production, transportation, and industrial processes, releasing significant amounts of CO2. Deforestation. Forests act as carbon sinks by absorbing CO2. Cutting down trees releases stored carbon and reduces the planet's ability to balance atmospheric CO2 levels. Agriculture and livestock. Farming practices, particularly livestock production, contribute to methane emissions, while fertilizers release nitrous oxide. Industrial activities, factories and chemical processes release various greenhouse gases. Waste management. Decomposing waste in landfills produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Effects of climate change: rising global temperatures. Average temperatures have increased, leading to more frequent and severe heat waves. Melting ice caps and glaciers. Warming temperatures cause polar ice to melt, contributing to sea level rise and loss of habitats for species like polar bears. Rising sea levels. As ice melts and oceans warm, sea levels rise, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems. Extreme weather events. Increased frequency and intensity of hurricanes, droughts, floods, and wildfires are linked to climate change. Ecosystem disruption. Species struggle to adapt to changing conditions, leading to migration, extinction, and loss of biodiversity. Ocean acidification. Increased CO2 is absorbed by oceans, making them more acidic, affecting marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate shells. Environmental awareness. Environmental awareness involves understanding the importance of protecting the natural world and taking steps to mitigate the effects of human activities. Awareness is critical for promoting sustainable practices and policies. Steps to address climate change. Renewable energy. Shifting from fossil fuels to wind, solar, hydro, and geothermal energy reduces emissions. Energy efficiency. Improving efficiency in homes, businesses, and transportation reduces energy consumption. Reforestation and conservation. Protecting forests and replanting trees helps absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Sustainable agriculture. Practices such as crop rotation, organic farming, and reducing livestock production can cut emissions. Waste reduction. Recycling, composting, and reducing plastic use help lower greenhouse gas emissions from landfills. Policy and international cooperation. Governments need to enforce regulations on emissions, while global agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to unite countries in climate action. Individual actions. Reducing energy use at home, e.g., turning off lights, using energy-efficient appliances, opting for public transportation, biking, or walking to reduce carbon footprints, eating less meat and dairy as animal agriculture is a significant source of methane, supporting companies and products that prioritize sustainability, educating others about the importance of environmental protection. Increased environmental awareness can lead to collective action and societal changes necessary to combat climate change and protect ecosystems for future generations. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily updates.